Hey guys, so I'm gonna watch a robot check-in video and I hope you enjoy. So my screen keeps on moving so you can just hear the noise somehow. So I'm just gonna go to this part.
I feel like I'm gonna blow chunks of bird seed.
Kelsey.
Oh no! He got like the bird flu! The word of the day is quarantine. 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 Galapagos, is that you?
Oh, he must be hallucinating.
Hi, bird. I'm so sorry you're sick. I'm scared, Snuffy. Thank God you can't get it since you're not real.
Too bad the bird died.
Yeah, thank God.
One vaccine. Two vaccines.
One of these kids is not like the other. One of these kids is dead.
Today's episode brought to you by the letters CDC.
Sorry.